Yo guys, what is up? What's going on? Today I'm back here again at the Nissan garage and my friend's letting me lift my car up on the hoist. We're going to be installing a shifter bushing for the WRX. Company called SokuMoto has been kind enough to actually send me this out to install and review. So in this video I'm just going to be installing it. It's pretty straightforward. There's two 12mm bolts that you have to remove. So I've got the socket here. Let's go get started. To gain access to the shifter bushing, you just need to remove this small shield above it here. So two 12mm bolts. Depending on how long you've driven your car, they may be easy or difficult to get off, but once you break them free, they're pretty straightforward. Take them off and then we'll be able to access the shifter bushing itself. You see the shifter bushing? Yeah.
That's all you gotta change?
Yeah.
Yep. But hold on, so my...
They didn't put any lubricant with it.
Oh.
You got any lubricant? What kind? I don't know.
Silicone, only silicone, 100%.
Now that you can access the bushing, you have to just remove this small pin right above it. So take some pliers and pull the pin out, and that'll actually free the shifter bushing so you can take it out. Oh, it came out that easy? Hell yeah. Oh, then you take off the small washer. There you go. And now you have to use something to put leverage on it. They used to use a screwdriver and like wedge. They put the screwdriver through the hole.
Yeah, and then they wedge it out.
Yeah.
It's so small.
So just pull it out with the screwdriver.
That was fast, dude.
That's faster than mine. I really know it.
Apparently it makes it way stiffer in the gear.
Oh, actually, this is solid metal bushing.
Yeah, man.
It's a brass.
Anodized aluminum. So what the difference is the squeeze, right? This has give. This doesn't have give.
So here's the stock shifter bushing. And then you can see this is the SokuMoto shifter bushing. It's like a CNC aluminum, and then this is like pretty flexible rubber. So we're gonna put this one in.
What they do is they put that on the pin first, and then they press this on it.
But like in this direction?
Yeah.
Oh,
that
sorry.
thing is against the transmission.
I get you.
The flanged end, I think it's called, right?
Ooh, yeah. Well, yeah, the flat face. Ooh, there you go, like that.
And then push that on.
Like that.
You'll notice a small lip on one end of the bushing, so that end is what needs to go in the side of the transmission, flat against the transmission. You want to put the bushing on the pin first, then we're going to put the linkage back onto it, and then finish up by putting the washer and the cotter pin back on place. Last step, we just have to put the shield back in place with the two 12mm bolts.
This little thing.
Yeah. Alright guys, so that's the install of the shifter bushing on my 2016 WRX. The overall process is very straightforward and simple. Like pretty much all the installs I do, took less than 15 minutes to get everything apart and put back together. I'm gonna go sit in the car and just give you a quick first impressions of how the shifter feels. Let's go. It's pretty tight now, like definitely feels nice. When you're in the gear, it's a little bit, it feels more like, it feels like it's in gear, and going into neutral, it pops up more like...
It's more, it like snaps back into neutral.
Yeah, it's snappy now. It feels good. It's pretty sweet. That's awesome.
You got a club knob on yours, right?
Yeah, I want a heavier one, honestly.
Yeah. Do you want to try it?
That's tight.
It's outside. Very clicky. I like.
So guys, pretty sweet. It feels really good. It's a little bit stiffer. It feels almost clickier to us. Like it clicks into gear, it feels like better. If you guys like to check out the Soku shifter bushing, I'll have a link down below in the description. They also do the TGV deletes and a few other things. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I hope you're having a great day or night, whatever it is where you are.